my gosh. We're just in it.
That was a group from the Lord Praise Ministry performing Picnic Jump Up.
And jump up they did. All right, we're going to switch lanes to Ask the Kids. They have views and opinions too, of course. And this segment is where we'll hear all of them. Who do we have with
So
us?
we have Jelani Morgan. Just raise your hand when I call him. Jelani's in the red
Jelani's
shirt.
in red.
Jaden Hillcox.
All the way on the other end.
Hillocks. Okay. Carissa Graham. Ashley Page. And Isaac White.
Hey.
Mr. Martial Arts.
Good
morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Are you having a good day today?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to ask you
We're
some
not.
questions. No, you're not?
That's
My mommy and daddy wake me up early.
Yeah, when you work on TV, you have to wake up
As I
early.
get out of the bed, I had to go straight to the bathroom and wash my face, and then I had to go get ready.
Yeah, because that's what you have to do when you get ready for work in the morning.
When
My mommy woke me up at the middle of the day. I couldn't even finish my dream.
You couldn't finish it. What were you
What's your
dreaming?
dream?
I was dreaming I was in a competition. It was a baking challenge.
A baking challenge. Did you win? Or
Yes.
you never finished?
I like to bake.
Yes, but I didn't get the award because my mommy disrupted me.
Okay, well, Mommy will give you the award afterwards. We're going to ask you some questions, okay, guys? So we're going to call your name and we're going to ask you some questions and then you can answer us, okay?
Okay.
We're going to start all the way with Isaac, right? Because Isaac is at the beginning. Isaac, are you ready? Okay, my first question. What makes you feel happy? What do you love to do that makes you happy?
I love to do homework.
You love to do
Homework.
homework?
Nobody likes.
Well,
I like
Isaac
homework.
likes his homework.
I like my homework too.
You like your homework, Isaac? Oh, that's fantastic.
I like my homework.
Hands up, everybody who likes homework. Oh my goodness, my hand will stay down.
Ashley doesn't like homework.
No, Ashley likes
Carissa
homework.
does.
That's
I don't
Carissa.
like homework.
Ashley doesn't like
Carissa and
homework.
we don't like homework. All right.
All right. Jelani.
Yes.
Besides homework, what else do you like?
I like playing football.
You like playing football?
Everybody knows that he's the second Ronaldo in the class.
All right. What school do you guys go to?
Arden Prep.
Awesome.
Both of us go to the same school.
Small treasure.
Excuse me.
I
But
go to a different school than my cousin. I go to St. Diego Cathedral Preparatory School.
Wow.
excuse me. Carissa and I go to the same school and we're in the same class.
Yeah, so we noticed.
Carissa, what school you go to?
Ashley.
No, that's Ashley.
Ashley.
I'm in K3.
That's awesome, baby.
K3.
What school do you go to, Ashley?
I go to Vast Preparatory School.
Fantastic. We love that.
I hate Vaz.
No,
No,
you
you
don't.
don't.
Yes,
All
I
right.
do.
Let's start again now. Ashley, what is the best thing that has ever happened to you?
When I got playtime, when I came first in my swimming competition.
That's the best thing that ever happened to you? First in your swimming competition. And you, Carissa? Carissa?
I like to do swimming, and every time I go to swimming, my swim teacher shouts at me just because I'm fixing my goggles.
Same thing.
Same thing there too because
I
you're
go
fixing
to
your goggles.
My swimming.
Me and my cousin used to go to the same swimming. We used to go
Go
to
to
the
the-
children's center together.
Your cousin?
Yes.
Oh.
And
You
then
never
we
hear.
go to different schools. Now he goes to a different swimming class. I go to the same swimming class. I
No,
go
it-
to my swimming class on Saturday.
Okay.
Jelani
I
goes to YMCA.
Fingers on the lips. One at a time. Let's go.
What do you want to be when you grow up? We're going to start with Isaac.
Astronaut.
Ah, and Jelani?
Footballer.
Of course. Ashley?
I want to be the next big thing for Jamaica in swimming.
All right.
yeah.
Carissa?
I want to be a dance teacher, a diplomat,
Oh.
And?
a swimmer.
Uh-huh. Anything else? And Jaden?
I want to be a chef.
Oh, so I think I heard that with the baking challenge, and I can't wait to taste some of the food that you're gonna make. All right, next question. Which one of your friends do you think Uncle Exton and Auntie Sakina would like the most? Isaac? Which one? Who's your best friend?
My best friend
Yes.
is
Is
Anybody from here?
No, you don't have to be from here. Who's your best friend?
At school. Right?
Sure.
Makai.
Makai. Hi, Makai. And who's your best friend?
My best friend is Caitlin.
Oh, you have a girl best friend. That's okay, well, you can share. It's okay. It's all right. I'm sure she loves that. And who's your best friend?
My best friend is Joanna Pennant.
Joanna Pennant.
Excuse me. Caitlin used to go to the same school that Jaden and I used to go to.
Okay, but now...
And Caitlin still goes to the same school and she's in the same class as Carissa and I.
Okay.
I'm waiting until my mommy takes me to see me and Jelani's old teacher, Mrs. Baker.
Okay.
Okay,
we have one more
last
question for you guys before we go. This is a big question, right? So you have to think about this. We're going to start all the way over with Jaden and then come across.
Isaac.
How would you change the world if you could? What would you do to change the world? Are you ready? All right, go on, Carissa.
I would give food to the poor and I will give money to the poor.
That was me.
That is sweet. Ashley, you ready? You have to take the mic from Carissa.
I want to change Jamaica by telling people not to litter the place.
All right, you're an environmentalist. Awesome. Jaden, ready now? Go ahead.
I want to help the world so I can be better for
Okay.
everybody.
Fantastic. Jelani, your turn.
Okay. I'll behave and make the world be better and give money to poor.
Okay, so you behaving is a good thing. I think your mommy and your teachers will appreciate that. 1 second, Carissa. Let's ask Isaac.
I would run for Jamaica and come first so I can make them be a champion.
All right, next vote. And Carissa,
Awesome.
you wanted to say something? Hold on, Jelani.
Jelani really behaved in class and I would give charity and I would do a charity program.
Fantastic. I love that. Guys, 1 second. Guys, we have to run because in TV land, everything goes really, really quick, but we're going to listen to what you have to say right after that, but we have to go, okay? Thank you so
we'll call
much
you back, though.
for coming. We're going to make you come back. Don't worry, you're not going anywhere yet. All the stuff behind us is for you. All right, thanks, Jelani, Jaden, Carissa, Ashley Page, and Isaac. Where are we going now?
I'm ready for food.
It's not food time, it's break time. We'll be right back.
It's break time.
Look, you see, you tell the kids that
It's food time.
We'll be right back.